One of the effective ways to wake up the body early in the morning is to use some essential oils that are stimulating, like peppermint. And the way that you do it, you just use 3 drops on the palm of your hand, and you rub the hands together, and you go through your aura all the way, right? Because it's a frequency, energy frequency, right? And then come back up. And if it is an essential oil that is allowed on the skin, peppermint might be a little bit too much on the surface of the skin. It might sting, but you could rub it on the back of the neck. That's an effective way to absorb it in the body. Another way to wake up the body is the tapping method. Tapping method is very simple. You start tapping throughout your body, front and back. You start with the face, go to the skull, go to the lymphatic system, lymph nodes, and then pull your ears, and then you tap. Here is nervous system activation. You tap here, and then you go through the whole body. You could either tap or punch, but you want to cover everything in the body. And then you go through everything all the way in front, all the way to the sole of your foot on the right side, on the sole of your foot, all the way in the left side. You come back up, you activate the adrenals and the kidneys in the back as far as you could go, from the back, and you tap, and then come back, and then from the right side of your body, you start tapping the intestine. And go back. Okay, and then come back up, and then you can end here, which is a very effective place to tap. The other method is, after you do your breathing sessions for about 15 minutes, take a cold shower for 30 seconds. That really wakes up the body, and it's a quick detox every morning before going to work, and you're set for the whole day.